Head Office Article Maintenance. There is an option to control the article maintenance at Head Office only by removing the access at Back Office. All articles will sync to all shops, but each shop can have their own pricing and costs. Current shop selected can be changed on the bottom left corner, as you can see here. So we can go to shop 1 or shop 2. We've entered our description of the product, and what this will bring us the information is the articles, the history of the product, the case size, supplier, sales, and basket analysis. When you're updating a price at Head Office, by clicking the plus button here on a product, it will ask you to do all shops, single shops, or multi-shops, or by shop groups. There is also the option for flag maintenance that will allow you to activate stock for suggested ordering, stock control, the labels, if you want to block from ordering or exclude from the reports as well, and then clicking save.